These are the elevators at the USF Morsani Center in Tampa, Florida. Let's go with the 6. ThyssenKrupp Traditionals, the newer kind. Nice low-pitched buzz. Here we are at 6. We're gonna go back down the 1. Actually, on second thought, we're gonna go to 2 since the lobby is on 1. Here's your certificate. We're gonna call another elevator. We've got this middle one right here. Let's go to 6. These are all pretty much the same. Except I think this one, the cab is a little brighter. And it doesn't have a low-pitched floor passing chime. I lied, these aren't all the same. This one's got vandal resistant buttons. Let's go down the 1. Same cab as the others. I'm just gonna go with 2 actually.
Hello.
Hi.
You too, thanks.
And that'll be it.